Hey guys, I'm showing you this Yoobure computer desk with power outlets, fast charging type C included, and a gaming desk with the LED lights. So you can see the unboxing. These are the contents. This is the manual and how to install all the parts. These are the different parts with the nuts and everything. Lights, nuts, the screws, everything is marked. So we can just start a quick installation process. So you can just see an overview that how this will be installed. So everything, all the parts are marked and everything is marked on the manual as well. So this is a straightforward assembly of this desk. So you can see all the nuts and everything is marked. So let's join this up. So this is all stepwise with the side anchors, with the side drawer. This is a fabric drawer that can be fixed. You can fix on either side, this one or that one. This is the top of the desk. This is the monitor stand. So this is the base to hold it. So this is the power outlet that goes on the side. So you can put it with the screws. This is the LED light that you can put under the monitor stand. So this have a adhesive that you can easily use. So once this is all installed, this looks like this. So it's pretty nice, the less space taking, and it can easily hold two monitors. So you can see the LED lights with the USB here, and you can just put it in the outlet. So I just put in the two monitors and LED lights and the effect. So you can see this keyboard, mouse, laptop, docking station. In the back, one additional extension, mobile charger. So everything is here that you can see. So it holds really well. The side drawer, you can put in everything, or the hook, you can put anything here. So Apple, or the ample space. So this I just put the chair, side table, and still I have the whole leg space. So it's a nice table for the computer.